Happy day, children. So in this video, we are going to see the next chapter, 6 logo commands. Now let's check it. So last year, we have learned many basic commands like pen up, pen down, forward, backward, turn left, turn right, then hide turtle, show turtle, and we have learned about clear screen and clear text. And this year, we are going to learn about how to print commands. So before going to the concept like how to print commands, you all know how to start logo, right? You have to click on start, programs, Microsoft Window logo. Then you have to choose Microsoft Window logo screen. So then you will have the screen which you see on the window, right? So this is called a Microsoft Window logo screen. Okay, so now you all know that there's two different parts in the logo screen. One is a main screen, the other one is a commander window. In the commander window, there's a two box called recall list box and input box where we're going to type all the commands in the uh, input box. Okay, so the short form for printing command is called PR. So we're going to print a number now. So PR. So PR is the short form for print primitive. So PR, always leave one space and number. Give text any numbers. Then click on execute or enter key button. So you will get a result. Can you see the result? 12. Similarly, you can also print the letter. So similarly, like numbers, you can also print letters. But there's a small change in typing the letters. Let us see what it is. PR to print letters, PR. Type PR in the input box, space. Then you have to give a quotation marks, right? Then enter the letter W. Then press enter key. Can you see? Yes. So this is how you can print the letter. So this is the difference between the number and letter. Okay. Now, do you want to print in a sentence? Yes, you can also do that. So the same command has to be given PR space, but the sentence should be given within the brackets. So put a bracket, then write, for example, my school name is San Academy. Then close the square bracket. So now you can see the result by pressing the execute button or enter key. See, my school name is San Academy. Right, this is how you can print out the print the sentence. You can take a first word of the sentence. You can ask the a logo screen to give the first word as their result. So let us see what you have to do. So PR should be in the capital letters. PR space first, right? First, then open the bracket and write dog. Sorry, dog is a pet animal. So close the bracket. You can see only dog will, this is the first word of the sentence dog. So it has given the result as dog because you have given the command print first. So first word alone it displays. Similarly, you can give it for last sentence also. PR last, open the bracket and give I like ice cream. I like ice cream. So you can give in the same. Then close the bracket. Then you press the enter key. Can you see the last word ice cream is displayed? This is how you can print a sentence, a normal sentence, or print the first word of the sentence and last word of the sentence. Okay, so now let us see about how to print calculations in the logo with the help of the logo screen. So we all know that there are four arithmetic operations, right? Plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? Similarly, we are going to see how you can perform this using the logo language. So first what you have to do, type PR space, then you have to enter one number, then give a addition symbol and plus 5. Yes, this is how the result. You can see the result. It has added the It has done the calculations and the result is displayed below. Similarly, you can do for subtraction also. PR 7 minus 3. Can you see the answer? Okay, yes. Similarly, you can do for the multiplication and division the same process. For example, I'll show you for the multiplication PR 5. So instead of into symbol, you have asterisk symbol, then 6, 30. So it has multiple 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So you can see the result is 30. Similarly, the division can also be done with the help of this arithmetical operations. But there's a small difference in the next procedure. So we are going to do the same calculation, but we are going to give a command in the form of functions. We are not going to give the arithmetical operations. Where instead we are going to give a command for that. For example, PR sum. Instead of giving the addition sign, we are going to give a command called sum. Then we are going to enter two numbers like the same number. I'll take 6, 5. So result is 11. Can you see here we have given arithmetical operation, but here we are given the function of the operations. So, but you can see the results are displayed same. Similarly, you can give it for P R. Sub for difference, subtraction you have to give difference. Difference, the same number 7, 3. For each thing you have to leave a space. So PR space, difference space 7, again a space, then the next value you have to give 4. And even for the multiplication you can give product 5 space 6, right? 30. You can see, so this is how the calculations can also be done with the help of arithmetical operations, can also be performed with the mathematical functions like sum, difference, product. And for division it can be either a quotient or remainder, so you need both for the division, right? So PR, so if it is a quotient you will get the result for the division. Quotient, so 12 space 5. Can you see the quotient? 2.4. If you want to see the remainder for the same value, you can just write remainder 12. So you can see the remainder is 2. This is how the mathematical functions can also be done in the logo screen. Okay, now let's see the last topic, how to print the logical operations, how to print with logical operators. So what are the logical operators? It is nothing but equal to, greater than, and less than symbol. So we're going to see that. So the command should start with the PR space, for example 10 equal to 10. So whether 10 is equal to 10, so the result will be either true or false in the logical operators. So do you feel the statement is true? Yes. So can you see the result has been displayed as true. So if you write 10 is equal to 9, so what the result will be? False, because 10 is equal to 9, it's not true, right? Similarly, you can type for greater than, less than symbol. So 12 less than 8. So whether it is true, how it considers, right? So whenever it is given the greater than, less than symbol, the logo will be checking the left side of the logical operator. So it will check the operator and the left side number. So if it is a less than symbol, it checks whether 12 is less than 8. No, it is false, so the statement will be false. So for example, PR 12 greater than 8, so it will check the left side of the operator, right? So the operation is greater than symbol, so it checks the left side whether it's greater than the right side number. Yes, 12 is greater than 8. Yes, so now I can execute, the statement is true. So this is how various functions can be done, or various mathematical calculations and logical calculations can be done with the help of this logo screen. So I hope you're all clear about this chapter. So I'll meet you in next video regarding book back exercise. Thank you, children.